Hi. My son's very smart.
Thank you. Any questions? Any questions?
What is this pipe?
What is what? Well, there's a couple that we have right here. So these ones
Well, these are a lot of water. Some of the animals.
This one is our company vehicle. So they have the two batteries. So this would have a lid over. Yeah, so it's open so you can see. This is the batteries. Yes.
salty water.
Yeah. You can see everything. We have like this tactile foam right here. This glass filled.
When the water's really salty, it's higher. When the water's really fresh,
That's just really to hold that. Yeah. They're super scientific. Yeah. Okay, but it's yeah.
That's always the hardest part though. Wait, how many batteries are in this thing?
There's two, I think, on all of two on all the vehicles.
And then what's that?
That is the main vehicle computer.
Wow. So you definitely don't want to break
Oh, sorry, this one's the bioacoustic sphere.
Oh,
So
okay.
the one that we were talking about, how they have the acoustics on the bottom and the front. What's cool about that is it allows us to see animals that we wouldn't see in the camera, because like there's one cool picture that they have of the acoustics where when they turn on the lights, you see all the animals just like shine one way, and then we have another one that goes that accumulates towards the lights. It's really cool. And then that's the main vehicle computer.
Wow.
And so this part is kind of like the same with all of the vehicles. 'Cause you have the beacon, so if we lose it, we can still find it.
Wait, what is this? The beacon? So it's like the flashing light?
No, this is like for underwater, so we can hear it, so we can ping and find it where it's at if it's stuck.
Cool. What's this?
That's the antenna, so you have GPS, and then you have the RDF, which is the radio direction finder.
Does that stick up outside of the top of the casing? Or
This sticks up.
yeah, that sticks up.
Not
So this is all covered
Nothing
except
else.
for that, yeah. And there's the picture. Yeah, you can see a little thing. Wow. It almost looks like that crane has like a magnet or something.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
That's
It
just
was.
that last
I
night.
thought it was a magnet.
But if it's not metal, then
Yeah.
that's cool. I didn't realize they weren't metal. Yeah, that rope that hooks onto here, pulls it up and it's up overhead, so that way the vehicle can go anywhere.
Yeah. Have you ever dropped it?
It has with
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
Bound to happen.
Smaller in little balls. That's just because the shape just turns out working out that way?
No, this is one way we do high pressure housing. There's two ways. And